Hi, it's Jenny with Jenny's Wreath Boutique, and in this video I'm going to show you what I got for my latest wholesale orders. This week I had 2 deliveries coming from 2 different wholesale companies. If you're curious where I get all of my florals, both wholesale and retail, I have a cheat sheet. It's free, it's linked in the description if you want to grab it. I did a poll on Instagram to see if you guys wanted to see my unboxing of these, and it was overwhelmingly a yes, so here we are. These first 2 actually came in 2 separate big boxes like this, but I already put them away before the second delivery came, so I'm going to show you what's in each box. I just got huge amounts of these 2 things, and the first ones are from Select Artificials. I have lots of boxes of these on my shelves in my garage. I just take the contents out of one box to put in my wreath room and then store the other boxes in my garage so my wreath room can stay pretty. If you didn't see that makeover yet in my new wreath room, I will link it in the description below. It's so pretty and I don't want to mess it up. These are cream hawthorn berries, and I just glue that back on. I just love berries, and these look really realistic. I love them. They're a little too creamy colored for spring, but I think they'll be perfect for summer and fall. The other item I got from Select Artificials, I've actually opened these in an unboxing from 2 years ago. I have a whole playlist of my unboxings, and these have become one of my new favorite types of greenery. They were out of stock for a long time, and I'm finally able to get a bunch. I ordered a lot. There's 24 stems in each of these boxes. Show you what one looks like. So this is them. I love them so much. They're great greenery for all year round. If you don't have a license to get wholesale supplies, you can find something similar to this on Amazon, and I've used that before in a video here on YouTube, and I really like it. I will link that below as well. Now our big box. This has lots of good stuff in it. I know it. Lots of boxes inside. It's like Christmas. These are from Allstate Floral, and they have that Silk Vision logo. Okay, where to start? All right, these 2 boxes are the same, so I'll just open one. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness. These look so real. This is the peony spray with bud. Look at the quality. Oh, I'm so excited. I bought them all online. I haven't had a chance to go to one of their shows yet in person, but oh my gosh. They look so real. Look at the detail inside. Oh my goodness. These are great. I'm so excited, and you should be excited too, because I'm planning on doing some more kits. So be on the lookout for that. Ooh, that is exciting. I'm just so happy. Yeah. Oh yeah, I did order some fall stuff. I thought I just got spring. I got this because it was cute and it's for fall, so this is all going into storage. This is the Sycamore Berry Spray, and I just think the color and the leaves are just so interesting and unique. So pretty for fall. Isn't that gorgeous? It's just going to make a really elegant fall wreath. Oh, I love it. So far, so good. Oh yeah. Anemones. Oh, these are so perfect for spring. I love that dark middle. I'm a sucker for anemones, let me tell you. I love them because each stem has 3 flowers and a couple little buds, so I feel like it's more worth your money. Aren't those pretty? They're so dramatic. You are definitely going to be seeing some spring wreaths with this. Exciting. And the white is great for year round. I probably wouldn't use them in the fall, but you can use them for winter, spring, and Christmas really if you need some white. Okay, so that was the anemone spray, cream. Oh. Trying to be dramatic while I open them. Ranunculus, my favorite. Okay, if I had to only use 3 flowers for the rest of my wreath making ever, it would be peonies, anemones, and ranunculus. And I have all 3 covered in this unboxing. And I love these because they're more of a peach color, which I love. They're just so pretty. Oh my gosh. Once again, I chose stems that had at least a couple flowers. So we have 2 and a bud. Aren't those gorgeous? Oh yeah, so pretty. Oh, and they're so soft. They look so real in person. And the leaves are actually good quality and really soft. So exciting. All right. More anemones. Look at the colors on these. Oh, I love it. Oh, these are gorgeous. So each of these are a bundle. This is the anemone bundle. Oh, and it's, you get so many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You get 12 flowers in one bundle. I think that is a great deal. There are a lot of options out there that are beautiful and I would love to buy, but the cost for them is just too much to make affordable-ish wreaths. So I like to get a good value for my money, and I definitely think these are beautiful. I love them. And these are sweet bay. These are bay leaves. Very similar color and texture to the shikiboo. I'm always mispronouncing it, I'm sure. Spray that I opened at the beginning. I'm always looking for good greenery. Ooh. Look at all the branches in one bush. Actually, there are 3. There's 3 in the one. So here we go. Cute. I love bay leaves. They're so pretty. They look so much like the other leaves. Of course, when you get florals in the mail, you usually need to fluff them up quite a bit. But these aren't bad. Oh, I love them. The quality is really nice. I like them a lot. So I've got lots of these. Oh, I forgot I got these. These are something I've already gotten before, and I liked them enough to order them again. Oh, perfect. These are a little more spendy, but the quality is amazing. Let me show you. Look at that. Oh, wow. They're so nice. They look really good in person, which is important. So good. These are laurel sprays. Oh yeah. I did a tutorial in my VIP group last January, I believe. And I used these. It was a winter wreath, and just this greenery is so gorgeous. And it pairs well with that first greenery I unpacked. So be on the lookout for these things in future wreaths and possibly a wreath kit or 2. And I want to know which one was your favorite. I would love to know, and which one are you most excited for me to use. All right, I will see you in the next video. Bye.